Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still on Chapter 10, Part D. The Peace Amulet. The Beis HaLevi explains that peace is the source of all blessing, for with it one achieves closeness to Hashem and His Torah. Alternatively, the Chida offers an insightful thought. Hashem has abundant blessing that He wishes to bestow upon a person, whether due to his own merit or the merit of his ancestors. However, each individual has committed some sort of sin, and the persecuting angels bring up those sins in an effort to prevent these blessings from coming to fruition. One who pursues peace, always talking positively about others, merits that the midah keneged midah, measure for measure. The prosecuting angels will not be able to speak negatively about him. Thus, peace is the source of all blessings. For one who is at peace with others will receive the blessings that Hashem has in store for him. Based on this, the Chida explains the interesting wording that the Mishnah uses. Hashem did not find. It would seem as if Hashem was searching for a vessel to hold the blessing. The answer is that Hashem is prepared to bestow the blessing upon a person, but He is searching for a segula, an amulet, to utilize so that the prosecuting angels will not restrain the blessing. And Hashem found it. Peace. Part E. Kos Shel Bracha. Peace and blessing. The Gemara in Brachos 51b in Baba Metzia 87a states that one should give his wife to drink from the Kos Shel Bracha, cup of blessings, that was used for the Birkat Hamazon. The Gemara states that by drinking from the cup, his wife merits blessing. However, the Shlitos says that the reason is to increase Shalom Bayit, peace in the home. Seemingly, these are two different reasons. However, they are really one in the same. For if somebody wants to merit blessings, he must first establish peace, since peace is the vessel that contains all blessings. Interestingly, the Ben Ish Chai quotes commentators who explain that the vessel that holds peace is the cup that one uses for Birkat Hamazon. Thank you and Shabbat Shalom, and have an amazing rest of the Chag, and we'll continue next week.